This gang rape at a popular picnic spot near Kabul has shaken Afghans, however accustomed to violence some of them may be. The police said some of the defendants were dressed in police uniforms when they separated the women from their husbands, robbed them and assaulted them. 5 of the 7 suspects were found guilty of rape, but the death sentences were handed to all 7 for the crime of armed robbery. The attacks last month prompted an outcry. In the streets, demonstrators have called for the accused men to be publicly hanged. Those protests continued outside the court.
If this act goes unpunished, like a number of other acts, then it will only keep continuing. And as a result, the women of Afghanistan in particular will continue to be the victims.
President Hamid Karzai has been reluctant to sign death warrants for hundreds of other prisoners. But in this case, he says that if the men's appeals fail, he won't hesitate to authorize the death penalty. It's highly unusual for death sentences to be given for armed robbery, and at least one international human rights campaigner has questioned whether due process was followed in the trial, which lasted less than 3 hours. Sometimes in Afghanistan, women reporting rape end up being accused of adultery and even sent to jail. But there was no question of that happening after this gang rape in a public place, a crime the police describe as unprecedented. Violence against women is rife in Afghanistan, but few cases have ever attracted this much attention. Charles Haviland, BBC News.